Well, if there's any team that can play the 8, nobody believes in us card, that's the Minnesota Vikings. At 8-1, they're tied for the best record in the NFL. They won over
Hey,
7 in a row, including
that Sam,
Pretty rough.
Catching some Z's.
that Sam UBI, whatever his last, the Sam on Facebook there.
Yeah.
He shot a buck in Wisconsin, probably the biggest buck he's ever shot.
Yeah.
And he was worried about the shot, so he let it be.
Yeah.
Got back the next morning, called blood, right to a gut pile.
Rough camp life. Watching football.
Does he know who grabbed me?
No, he's like, I'm gonna post the video. I'm gonna still post the video if anybody recognizes the buck.
You didn't get breakfast, did you?
Well, if you can hear that, that is rain. We're sitting at the house about 1 o'clock, getting our bags packed and everything, with snacks and Gatorade and coloring books and books to read, and it just started coming down. And we're in the pop-up finally, and somewhat dry. His hair's dry, his clothes are dry. He put one of my rain jackets on and it pretty much just covers him. So my legs are wet, my hair's wet, my back is soaking wet. I sweat more when I got wet. But I got the pilot running on the heater and I'll probably fire that up here shortly. I'm steaming like a crazy man right now. My scope keeps fogging up on me. So it's going to be an interesting night if something comes in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I just got to the truck. We had a little bit of a hike out, but on top of the mountain there I got phone service. So I was able to get a hold of the guys, let them know, send out the big BBD text out to everybody. This is going to be my last day of gun season because I go back to work tomorrow and I head back downstate to work. And I had Little Man with me. It's our first buck together. It's only our second deer shot together. He puts all the work in with me and everything. So couldn't do the interview in the blind because the blind was just too dark by the time we got everything situated. I did get out and kind of walk down a little bit, see if I could see a belly or anything. Didn't hear anything. After my shot, he went about 15 feet. I don't think I had the camera zoomed out far enough, but he went about 15 feet and then drug his head and hit a bunch of brush and trees and stuff, and then I lost sight of him. I didn't hear much more crashing and stumbling after that. So, yeah, there's the bullet. Right on, buddy. Just sit down. I could have shot where he came out. I could have shot him straight in the chest, but he didn't see it, couldn't see it, couldn't get it on film. And I was still trying to figure out which buck it was. So I think it's the 9 or the taller 8. He has tall G2s. My big buck is nice, real nice buck. If anything, he ran the edge, and where I got Big Daddy on camera is where that runway is. That kicks back, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Stay back.
This isn't above the gun, is it? The water?
What's that?
The water ain't above the gun, is it?
No, you should be at your balls.
Okay.
Stay in the middle. Okay?
Yep. About the last place you would have been able to see him was right.
Right here. I can still see this.
You can see this,
I can see
okay.
it. And I think this is the brush I saw him in. But he looked like he was stumbling to the right, you know what I mean?
To the right?
Yeah. Like he was falling to the right, you know what I mean?
Alright, I'm gonna shut this camera off for a second. Alright, Charlie just found his buck. Yeah, I got it on. We had absolutely like no blood. What's that?
Left just
Your light.
literally, if I wouldn't have looked to the left down that runway right there, I would have kept on.
Where was last blood at?
It was way back there, dude.
Huh?
I looked this whole time trying to see if I found blood on this runway.
Like back there?
Yeah, where that, see where that log is right there?
Yeah.
There's like a broken branch. And I just passed that, and
Yeah.
I look up. I'm like, man, it looks like snow. I'm like, I haven't seen snow in here yet. So I come around the corner, and that's when I could see the belly.
No blood at
No blood.
all. We found one little speck.
Right up.
Sweet.
It was a little low.
Hell yeah.
That's
Alright.
9.
I don't think it's the one you sent a picture of though.
No?
No, that's on the other side.
Must have been the one I got.
It's right on the.
this morning, huh?
It's 5 on the right, 4 on the left.
Oh yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a newbie.
Surprise buck.
Surprise buck. That's a nice buck.
Oh, there's blood there, Jake.
Yep.
G2's just kick in.
Yeah.
Well, little man's gonna be excited. I was feeling bad for him. Damn. Hell yeah.
Hey, look how his beams go way out.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cool looking buck.
Gnarly buck. It's not real. It's got a little bit of mass to him.
Yeah.
He's got the little kicker, but it's going the opposite way
Yeah.
from Dad. I don't want to gut him here though. Alright, Sunday night. I don't know the date for sure, but we're sitting on the couch at 1 o'clock and it started just downpouring at the house. We were doing some laundry for work and little man runs in. He's like, aren't we going hunting? I said, well, buddy, it's raining. Oh, rain ain't gonna get us. Let's go. I said, are you sure? We're gonna get wet. He's like, no, Dad, I don't care. Let's go. I said, okay, buddy, we'll get the rain gear out. So we got the rain gear out, and we got here a little late, but the second we got out of the truck, it just downpoured. So we hiked in here as fast as we could, got in the blind, undressed, put some dry clothes on, and sat for about an hour and 20 minutes. He stepped out, and believe it or not, we watched him for almost 25 minutes, and he just stood there. And the wind switched at a little after 4 o'clock, and it turned right towards him when he came in. Little man, the whole time for 30 minutes. Are you gonna shoot? You gonna shoot? And I could have shot when they first came out, but he didn't see them. So patience. If he wouldn't get me off the couch today, we wouldn't have hunted. So this is all his buck. He's been back here several times with me, putting trail cameras up. So it's his buck more than it's mine. But we got muzzleloader just around the corner. Elvin's got a tag. I still got a tag. So stay tuned. Stay wild.
Michigan Guy Wild, go blue.